Soylent 1.5 taste test. So, notice that's what it looks like. It's been sitting a little bit longer than 2 hours. Very smooth, not thick at all. It's like a water. Yeah, I do use a solo cup. I don't enjoy washing this liquid off of anything. It's a pain. And I use a straw because I have a beard and a mustache. And I just don't want to do that. So this is how I do it. Alright, let's taste it. Let's take a taste. Tastes very earthy. Super smooth though. Super smooth. I have no quarrels against it either. Even the textures. It's enjoyable. It's a very, I don't know, it has an earthy taste to me. Most people say it's a brown tortilla taste, but I don't agree with that. I don't know. But I do enjoy it. It's it's just earthy. I wouldn't say it tastes like a bunch of, I don't know, man. It's a taste that you can't compare to anything else, to be honest. I enjoy the aftertaste too. It's a very weak taste. I know the formula is based on, well, not the formula, I guess the taste is based on water and not getting tired of it. And I can agree, I don't get tired of this drink. The only thing I get tired of is looking at real food. I love food. You know, like a steak, just have if you have a steak next to this, it'd be really hard to drink this over a steak. It really would be. But it has all the nutrients you need. That's all I gotta say. It's good. It works. It makes me feel full. And it's cheaper than buying food every day, honestly. Alright, the end.